So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is you versus all the 12 signs, current feelings and intentions towards you right now at this present moment. The roles can be reversed also because I can't do anything about it, it's just how it works. And please keep in mind this is general reading, this might or might not resonate, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Cappies, your current energies regarding love and relationship area. I'm going to give this deck a really good shuffle, and then I'm going to start the reading without the shuffle because it's going to be a lot of time consuming thing if I'm going to do the shuffling again and again for all the 12 signs. Trust me, I'm doing it from a very long time now, so it will be okay. Okay, let's see Cappies, your current energies regarding love and relationship. Let's see, my love. Okay, cool. So I have the Magician. You guys are manifesting something really beautiful here, a really beautiful home, a really beautiful relationship, a really beautiful magic, like marriage, commitment. If you guys are already married, you guys are manifesting a good home, good family, good energies, good vibes kind of thing, right? So if you're dealing with an Aries is feeling like, okay, there is a lot of things that are not going well in the situation, and they are feeling like crying over spilled milk. They are feeling like crying over things that they cannot change or control. There is still love in the situation. All they have to do is they have to turn around and see that love, but they are feeling like right now they are just focused on things that are not working out and focused on the negative parts. Intention is the lovers. Okay, they have to make a choice between you or something else or someone else, and they just want to make the right choice and the right decision because it's a matter of their life. Okay, and they just don't want to make the wrong choice here, so they want to make sure before they are going to jump into any kind of conclusion whether they should be with you or something else or someone else. They are going to take their time. This is what their intention is. Okay, it can be you versus their family, it can be you versus their job, career, finances, it can be you versus them, and or it can be you versus another person romantically. Take it how it resonates with you according to your situation. If you're dealing with a Taurus is feeling like Queen of Cups. Taurus cares a lot about you. Taurus is feeling a lot of feelings and a lot of love and a lot of nurturing, caring, and loving kind of energies towards you. But they feel like they should keep their emotions to themselves. At the same time, Taurus is right now busy in the self love, self care, self healing kind of energy too. So they love you, they have emotions, they care for you, but they feel like they should keep those feelings and those energies to themselves because right now it's not the right time for them to express or say something. Okay, intention here is the King of Cups. Okay, so they see they love you. Taurus loves you. Taurus feels like this connection, this bond is a match made in heaven kind of energy, and they are feeling like their intention here is to expect that kind of maturity, groundedness, and loving kind of situation that a couple should have in a beautiful love relationship. So Taurus is feeling like really beautiful, nurturing, caring, and loving kind of energies towards you. But right now, somehow you guys are not even like either talking to each other or not looking each other eye to eye. But they want to be with you. But they want this connection to be something deep, something meaningful, not just a casual kind of a hookup kind of a thing. If you're dealing with a Gemini is feeling like they should put on this poker face of they don't care about your existence on this planet Earth, but they do. Okay, so Gemini is feeling like keeping their emotions in control and keeping their life in control is actually going to help them to not to fall in love with you, to not to do something stupid. So Gemini is feeling like they should not look stupid and vulnerable in front of you. Okay, honey, I love you too. The cuckoo bird is always here, and I love that sound. And the intention here is a Six of Wands. So they see Gemini is behaving exactly opposite of what they want from the situation. They want to make things work out between you and them, but somehow they are feeling like they should not look like a fool in front of you. Okay, because if they are going to be expressive, if they are going to uh, okay, communicate, it might lower down their aura or energies, or something is going to happen. My goodness. Cancer is feeling like keeping things very friendly, very casual. Let's keep it going. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's try this place. Let's try that place. So they feel like keeping things casual and friendly, very friendly, and okay, let's do this, let's do that kind of deal. Nice, nice energy. Intention here is to keep their guards up. Okay, so this is somebody who is scared of falling in love with you, and they just don't want to fall again for the wrong person or wrong kind of energy. That is why they just want to keep their guards as high as possible, so that they are not going to get hurt, and or they are not going to end up hurting you mistakenly. Cool. If you are dealing with a Leo is feeling like putting in the effort and energy in this situation, in this direction, but at the same time they feel like putting in the effort and energy only when they are going to feel you are also equally interested and invested in the situation, but they feel like they're ready to put in the effort and energy in the situation between you and them. Their intention here is the Hermit card. They just don't want to express or say or do anything about the situation until unless they are going to think about it properly from every possible angle, with all of their maturity, with all of their wisdom and knowledge and experiences. They just don't want to buzz in until unless they are going to be 1000% sure that they should. Okay. If you're dealing with a Virgo is feeling like you and them have a really good and matching vibes. They see you as the Empress energy, very feminine, very creative, very loving, nurturing, caring, and absolutely perfect in every possible way. A marriage material kind of a person with whom they can see a future with, right? Really good energy from a Virgo side towards you. Intention here is to take it slowly. Either take it slowly, like handle the situation with patience and with a lot of okay, let things be naturally flowing and all that, and or they want to heal the situation between you and them slowly but surely if things are not working out really well between you and them, right? If things are working well, they just want to take things really very slow, and they just want to make sure that both of you are on the same page and both of you are feeling the same kind of vibes and energies from each other. Okay. If you're dealing with a Libra is feeling like they can't stop thinking negative about the situation, no matter how hard they're trying to get out of their head, get out of their overthinking about the situation. They are not able to get out of these kind of energies towards you, towards the situation. Intention is the Three of Cups. Intention is to keep things lighter, friendly, collaborative, and enjoying parties, enjoying a lot of stuff with you. So they want to make this, they want to keep this situation socially active, socially beautiful, socially positive. If you guys have a same social circle or mutual circle, otherwise also this person wants to keep things very light-hearted and very collaborative, beautiful and positive. If you're dealing with a Scorpio is the Knight of Swords. Scorpio is feeling like charging on you. They have a lot to say, they have a lot to express. They are right now in a little bit of pissed off kind of energy, right now in this kind of restless kind of energy. Okay, I am going to show Capricorn who I am, that kind of energy, because right now they are not at peace. So they feel like, okay, let's talk to Capricorn, we need to talk, that kind of energy. I'm not able to express it like but they are angry a little bit, losing their mind. Intention is the King of Wands, so they want to do a lot of things in this direction. They want to say a lot, express a lot, do a lot, but at the same time they don't want to lose their ego or pride. They just don't want to look like a fool in front of you. They don't want to look like, oh my god, what the hell I did, right? So they want to keep it calm and composed and handle the situation with maturity, but at the same time from inside they're dying to take some kind of impulsive actions towards you, because they are again pissed off or something is triggering them brutally. If you're dealing with a Sagittarius is feeling like they're obsessed with you, obsessed with the idea of being with you, even if there's a lot of unhealthy attachment, toxic kind of situation, and maybe third parties involved in the situation. They still feel like they can't stop thinking about you, they can't stop thinking about the situation. They're kind of feeling like they're addicted to you and they are bound to you in some way, and no matter how hard they're trying to break the chains, to break free from the situation, they are not able to do that, but they're trying their best actually. Okay, intention here is to walk away. See, I'm telling you, this person want to walk away from this toxicity, this negativity, then this unhealthy kind of attachment with you. Maybe not from you, but definitely from the toxicity and the negativity and the unhealthy kind of energies, the unhealthy kind of bond that they feel with you. So they want to detach and walk away from the situation. Maybe not from you. Still, I don't see that they want to walk away from you. You are the fucking devil himself or herself. So I don't think so. It's about you. It's about the situation mostly. If you're dealing with another Capricorn, they are feeling like, okay, things are not what they seem like they are. There is something fishy, there is something deceptive going on behind their back. The like roles can be reversed also, it can be vice versa also. So they are feeling like there is something, either they don't want to tell you or reveal to you, or they just want to sneak away with something deceptive, and or they feel like you are the one doing something horrible behind their back, and somehow they know it. Their intuition is telling them something is off about the situation, something is deceptive, something is not adding up. Intention here is to 10 of cups. Okay, they want to get married, they want to get settled. If you guys are already married or committed to each other, they want to keep things going, but at the same time there is something off about the situation that they might not be able to put a finger on, but they know something is off, something is going on behind the scenes that's not totally honest or totally aligned with the path of happiness, of this connection, of this bond. If you are dealing with an Aquarius here, Aquarius is feeling like the hanged man, things are not moving forward. They are feeling like trying to see things from a totally different perspective, trying to understand your point of view also, their side of the story also. But right now they're in the surrender mode. Right now they are in this taking a chill pill kind of a mode. They feel like, okay, whatever is supposed to happen will happen. Let me take a chill pill. Let me not think about it all the time. Let me not go crazy 24 into 7 about the situation. I will do something about it later on, but for the time being I just feel like being with myself. Okay, this is what an Aquarius is feeling about the situation. Intention is 10 of swords. Okay, after maybe you guys had a breakup or separation or ugly argument, or something happened in the situation that led to this kind of betrayal kind of energy, or feeling like left out in the cold kind of energy. Now this person wants to see the light at the end of the tunnel. They want to remain optimistic and positive, like, okay, the worst is over, now what's next. Their intention here is to see what next by not doing anything about the situation and letting it unfold natural and organically, and see what can happen or what can come out of the situation if they are not going to do anything or say anything. Okay, so they want time and distance. If you're dealing with a Pisces, Pisces is feeling like Six of Pentacles kind of energy. They are feeling like the situation is very, very imbalanced. No matter how hard they are trying to keep things balanced and keep things going between you guys, things are a little bit hard to maintain. The balance is still not maintained. It's always like this. Okay, we are together, we are not together, we are doing it, we are not doing it. So it's a little difficult to deal with kind of a thing for them right now, imbalanced. Intention here is to Six of Swords. So this person wants to find a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in this scenario, in this situation. They want to bring the balance back in the situation somehow, and if they will not be able to do that, they are preferring to live at peace with themselves and keep moving ahead from the situation. If they will not be able to get what they want, they are planning to just detach themselves slowly but surely from the situation and move on. Okay. Okay, let's see, Cappies. What's the guidance for you guys for this situation? So I have the Four of Pentacles. Stop holding on to things, people, or situations that you can't change or control or do anything about. The more you are going to hold on to something or someone this tightly, the more you are going to lose them. This is the law. You have to have healthy attachment and healthy detachment too, from everything or everyone that you want in your life, Capricorn. Again, the more you are going to hold on to something or someone this tightly, the more you are going to lose them, whether it's a person, situation, your mind, anything. Okay, healthy attachment and healthy detachment is very, very important in order to get what you want in a positive, natural and organic way. Nothing good ever comes out of stubbornness, comes out of I'm not going to let go of this or this person or this situation out of my life, out of my system. Nothing good ever came out of that kind of energies, trust me. Yeah, experience. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.